What I personally love about Regency and being a shareholder is that I get a voice in any decisions that the company makes. It's great. It's great to have a voice here.
There's a lot of value being brought to our clients when they know that I'm an owner in the firm and have ownership interest in the brokerage. That and the dividends at the end of the year doesn't suck to make more than 100% commission.
We have a great culture of sharing here where we don't hoard our best ideas, but we share our best ideas. It's for everyone's benefit.
There's a lot of culture here and a lot of history and thick heritage with people who have done real estate for a long time and know exactly how to do the business well. And so kind of going on their shoulders, learning from them, but starting my own business here and having the leveraging power as an owner, you're not going to find that anywhere else.